Quick video on how to set up your new SF10 Pro with a Spektrum receiver. Here we have a typical setup. We've got the SF10 Pro connected to the SRXL2 port on our Spektrum receiver. We've got a couple of satellites plugged in here. We've got our multi-switch. This is controlling our dual battery redundancy and our fail-safe switching. So if I use the switch on the multi-switch, turn it off, turn it on, you'll notice everything's back online. The setup is incredibly simple. It is exactly the same as how you would set up a Spektrum radio and receiver, to a Jetty radio and receiver, to a Futaba radio and receiver. What you do is you set up the model in your radio. Obviously you plug your receiver in, plug your servos in here, and if I go into my monitor channel, we've got routing from 1 to 10 here, and as I move my sticks, you'll notice we're getting good signal coming in through there. So what's next? Well, imagine we've got our servos plugged in and everything's good to go. What we do is we press our button. The LED will start flashing blue. We pull our elevator stick down and let it go back to center. We move our aileron stick back to center. We move our rudder stick right and back to center. We flick our master switch. The LED will start flashing. We power our system off and on again. And now you'll notice that it says gyro flight mode gain A is selected. If I move my master switch, this is off. This is now flight mode 2. Go into our input monitor and you can see we're still getting good frames here, but now we've got our colored bars. So as these two are ailerons because they're green, these two are our rudder, and this one here is our elevator. And we've also got a delta mix on this one, so we've got elevons connected. What's really cool about the SmoothFlight 10 Pro, or one of the advanced features, is we actually monitor more than just the first 10 channels. So if I go to the next one, you'll notice I've got green bars on 17 and 20. And if I move my aileron stick, they will actually move as well. So we're monitoring more than just the first 10 channels. Really quick setup video, guys, on how to do your Spektrum radio with the new SF10 Pro. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching that video. If you liked what you saw and want more information, you can head over to our website, boomerrc.com, or for the US site, us.boomerrc.com. If you want more videos, you can check out our Facebook page, Advanced Radio, or you can head over to our YouTube channel, Rick Gel Boomer RC. Thanks guys, and stay tuned for more videos.